One more. I have enough for 2 more goes, actually. God dang it, really?
Are you sure about that?
Of course.
No!
That's Dick when he's fucking getting, like, taken away. No!
Oh, congratulations! Could have used that.
You were right,
fucking round.
Are you sure about that?
Easy.
The day I die.
There's just so many memes popping off at me.
I know, it's fucking, I'm struggling to survive.
Just Dick just builds.
Alright, let's do it!
Are you sure about that?
Well, I'm a medium tank.
Why did I just?
Technically, I'm a medium.
Why did I just
Like,
hear
plus your medium
myself?
tank with that fucking 105 howitzer.
I put on the mask.
That's what plays in like Dick's mind whenever we take his problems. He's like,
No, dude, fucking Kate used to do that.
Now's not the time for fear.
This is admin abuse!
That comes later.
Oh my ass. Please. I need to let me die.
are you sure
You
about
can't
that?
keep getting away with this.
What the hell is wrong with you?
It's treason.
Holy fuck.
Jesus, man, it just keeps getting louder.
Dr. Pavel, I'm CIA.
CIA, are you here to help?
Bane. Bane.
God, yeah, it's so loud.
It goes.
You're garbage. Human garbage.
This is the worst time I've seen.
Are we witnessing the breakdown of Brendan tonight?
Yeah, we're backing up right now.
I'm trying.
Holy fuck, Brendan. Turn the sounds down.
Brendan, please, we're worried about
Okay. I'm going to kill you, Brendan.
It hurts. God, this sound hurts. It's killing me. I was about to say,
I can't hear you writing this being an actual author. When did you find out that your brother is suffering from seizure?
Was getting caught part of your plan?
help me, God, please.
First one to talk gets to stay on my aircraft. First one to talk.
KB2 is fucking.
Oh
just
God, I
such
love
a
that
huge
so
explosion
much.
from its shell.
Ew.
Time to actually turn Brendan down.
I love
until
it.
I'm 10.
I remember we were like sitting there like, hey, Grant's here. Oh, is he? Like that. Are you having a good time, Grant?
Where did they plant?
B.
You're right there, though.
Yeah. You sound weird.
Don't tell them.
Do it.
Oh, I'm having such a good time.
Hey, got your doo-doo, got your blood tonight.
Perfect.
Pull me to victory,
Perfect,
please.
Slim.
Pull me. No.
User was moved out of your channel. User was moved out of your channel. User was moved out of your channel. To your channel.
Please. No more.
Oh God, what have I done?
Fuck you.
We need to go die to more KD2s. Oh, thank God I did.
I didn't know the buses ran this late.
Hey, dog.
They're dropping someone off. Hey, Squidward, guess what? I'm chopping lettuce. At night. Look at me on top of the bathroom. At night.
I'm so weak. I'm fatigued.
Squidward, I used your clarinet to unclog my toilet. At night.
User in your channel started recording.
Please, let me die. End it. Yo, alright, cue us out. Sorry.
Pop up. Bane.
Let me die.
Are you sure about that?
Really defeating the Poland mission, I never would have thought.
User was moved out of your channel. User in your channel is recording. User was moved out of your channel. Channel is recording.